Hello all, welcome to my channel Market Wisdom. Today I am going to give Diwali pick for this year and which will be valid until next year Diwali. So I am also giving the current buying range and also a target for up to the next Diwali. So these are the my stocks that I wanted to give. You can see on the right hand side, these are the stocks that I have picked. And basically last year, if we compared with last year Diwali, then there was a very much buying in all the sectors, right? It was a huge buying we have seen in the last year in the overall market. So all the stocks, all the indices, almost given us a very good return. So last year there were huge rally across the market, so it was quite easy to go and back and check how Diwali stocks performed last year. It will be more challenging this year to pick up correct stock and get good return. So these are the stocks that I have choose from my experience, and I'm expecting a good target in this. So let's look one by one. So first stock that I selected is ICICI Bank. Its current price is, you can see, 802 800, and it has given quite a good recent rally in recent time. I'm expecting a buy level around 370 736. That is a good buying level, and up to 675 I will keep on accumulating this stock. I don't see it will come below 340 mark, but yeah, current price is accumulation zone for me up to 736, and I'm looking for a target of around 1000 plus in upcoming year up to next Diwali. So that's my view about ICICI Bank, and I'm super bullish in the ICICI Bank. Next stock that I have chosen is IDFC First Bank. In this also I am bullish. Let me, if we see chart wise on daily time frame, around 48 it has made a good support over here, right? So 48 is the accumulation zone for me up to 45. So this is my buying range. Current price is 49, and I am looking for target above 70. So that's my 62 first of all the target, and then after that 69.40 will be the my next target. So next stock that I selected is IDFC First Bank. These two stocks are from banking domain. Next one is Lupin that I have selected. Lupin is again a good stock to buy at current level. You can see 874 is a good support zone for him. Already we have in the past initiated a buying from this level. So this is next stock that I am recommending, Lupin, for again a target of around 1000 plus. Yeah, so even 1200 is another target that we can look for. So Lupin 874 is buying area for sure, and we can go for buy up to 787. So this particular range is buying level for me, and I am super bullish in Lupin as well. So this is the stock that I selected from pharma domain. Next stock that I selected is Sun Pharma. So in this case we can see 748 in Sun Pharma as well. We can see 748 to 720 is accumulation zone, and I'm also in the bullish in this stock. So for targets I'm looking 900 plus to 1000. So these are my targets for in Sun Pharma. So these are two my stocks from pharma sector. Next one is the McDonald. So this is, we call it as United Spirits, and in this also I'm very much bullish, and in this case my buying area is around 810. Current price is 947. So I will trying to buy near to 800. If it not come, I will try to buy at around 890 level. So this will be my accumulation zone again for United Spirits or McDonald's. In this case 880 to 800, that will be my buying area, and I am looking for a targets of 1200 plus. So these are my targets for the United Spirits in upcoming time. Okay, so my targets of 1200 by next Diwali, and these are my targets in McDonald United Spirits. The next stock that I have picked is IEX. This is one of my favorite stock, and I was keep on buying it since it was at 295 300 level. So here I first of all recommended this stock, and it is giving a good return, and because of its unique business and all, I am still very much bullish in this stock, and I am looking for targets of 1500 to 2000 by next Diwali. And in this case my buying area is around 616, and 616 to 570, that will be my buying area. in this around this area, and my targets are very much bigger in this case, and I'm looking for 2000 around target by next Diwali. So this is about IEX. The next target, next stock that I'm bullish in is Power Grid. So in this case also I'm very much bullish. So Power Grid is a very good stock to invest because of its dividend yield and stable performance. And in this stock, I am very much bullish. And in this case, 175 to 170 is my accumulation zone. This area, and I am looking for a target of 250 to 265. Yeah, so you can see over here. By next Diwali, I'm looking for a target of 250 plus 265 by next Diwali. This one up to this level. That is 1.61 Fibonacci retracement level. So I'm very much bullish in this stock as well. Next one is PSU Bank Bees. This is again a stock, but it is a representation of a PSU banks. Okay, so this is very interesting at currently at an interesting level. So if we see this current price is at 28, right? So 28 is a accumulation, 30 is current price, 28 is a accumulation zone for me, and I am very much bullish in this particular stock. Okay, so this one is buying area for me, and I am looking for targets of 45 plus by next Diwali. This is my best pick for this Diwali, bank PSU Bank Bees, and I am very much bullish in this. So this is very good buying opportunity near 28 to 30. Next is Tata Motor. Yeah, again it has started its journey, and let's see. Tata Motor just started his journey. Let me refresh. So yeah, so Tata Motor, as I was discussing, Tata Motor, we can see 330 358 is a good buying zone. If we get, that will be great opportunity, but I don't think we'll reach there. But 437 to 420 is a good accumulation zone for me. And for targets, I'm ready for 750 to 120 by next Diwali. So these are my targets in Tata Motors. I'm very much bullish in this. If I get around 358, that will be dream buying level for me in Tata Motors now. Coming to the next one is a Nifty Bees. So it actually represents Nifty. Nothing to look into this chart as such, because it goes along with Nifty. So as and when Nifty goes up, these Nifty Bees will go up. So in this case, around the current price is 191. Around 130 183, this is a very good buying opportunity, and 183 to 150, this particular area is a good buying opportunity for me. If Nifty goes down, this will also go down, but I don't see it going below 150. So 150 to 183 is a buying opportunity for me, and I'm very much bullish in Nifty as well. So that's why I'm giving this Nifty Bees to buy. This will be like a stock in your portfolio, and you can invest it in safely. Next is Bank Bees. Again, this is a bees, and it is a representation of Bank Nifty, and in Bank Nifty also I am bullish, so you can buy these. And current price is 394, and I am ready to buy around 378 to 342. This is my accumulation zone, and I am ready to for a big move in Bank Nifty as well. So that's why I have chosen this one as this one. So these are my stocks. I will give these stocks in the description with their accumulation zone and target for the next Diwali. Yeah, so these are my picks, and happy Diwali, enjoy your Diwali, and happy vacation, and stay connected. And let's see in the next week how we can go in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thank you for watching my channel.